Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to create a monogram type logo or leaves. Firstly, create a new document and Command or press L for circle tool. Then create that types of shape that you see in the screen. Then click a direct selection tool and convert select anchor point to corner. And select middle edge and click down arrows for 5 times. Then click right button of mouse and click transform to rotate, then rotate it 45 degrees. Then again click right button and select transform to reflect. Then choose vertical and select copy, make it copy and hold this place. After that select all the object and rotate. Rotate it to horizontally. Make it copy and go to Windows 2. Find brushes. Drag to the object into brushes bar. And click on pattern brush. Then make a circle and make it like this, which I doing. Create a line over the circle and try. Then select a shape builder tool and make the circle look like this. Then simply click on the brush tool which we make before. Okay, now, it still looks odd, so we trim to bottom and make 2 shape, then click on right side shape and go to object and select path to reverse path direction. Okay, now we make the design smaller. Okay, it looks fine now. Step _2 advanced monogram tool. Now we make a copy it and go to the shape that we make before. Rotate it and add stroke to right shape. Then expand it and hold shape builder tool, hide the stroke and add the divided shape. Okay, now we make it horizontally and add to brushes and apply the new shape. Okay, now it's look like professional. Let's we show the more advanced leaves here that I create with things. Hold your eyes, and see it ending.